Hey everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. And if you're looking for packaging options for your crafts or baked goods, you should definitely consider these cellophane bags. I think they're a great way of portraying baked goods or crafts. These ones I got are 5 by 7 inches, and my cookies and brownies fit perfectly in them. You can also get them in different sizes as well. I really like to use them because when I use these for my pastries, they are protected. The customers can easily see how they look and get the one they like better. So they're a clean and beautiful way of having your pastries on display. You can also use a bag sealer to seal them. And thanks to this, I was able to bake my cookies 2 days ahead of the farmer's market and they held up great. They are also great if you need to send baked goods through mail because your pastries will be well protected. So for all of these things, if you're thinking about a packaging option that is budget friendly and is cute because it shows off all of your creations, you should definitely get these cellophane bags. And that is my point of view.